This is Musa Hasaya. He doesn't remember his own sons' names. And how could he? He's got 102 kids, 12 wives, and a family tree that looks like a jungle. His home is a maze of houses, cribs and chaos. Birthdays? He stopped trying. And meals? Let's just say cooking starts at sunrise. But how did it all get here? This isn't just a story about numbers. It's about how one man built a legacy and why he's finally stepping back. It started in the 1970s. Musa married his first wife, and like many in his village believed that more children meant more strength, more hands, more pride. One wife became 2, then 5, then 12. That time he was fertile and proud, and for a while it worked. Musa was wealthy, owned land and had enough to feed them all. But as the children multiplied 20, 30, 50, the cracks began to show. By the time he hit 100, Musa was broke, exhausted, and overwhelmed. He built homes for them, tried to educate them. His wives started leaving. His older children refused to help. Today, Musa lives with just a few of his wives and children. The rest have scattered. Some grown, some gone. The once bustling compound now echoes with silence in places.